Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your client relationships with Freshsales, quick tutorial step by step clearly. In this video, we will explore how to upgrade your client relationships using Freshsales. First, log in to your Freshsales account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Here, you will find an overview of your current leads and deals. Next, click on the Contacts tab located on the left sidebar. From the Contacts page, you can add new clients by clicking on the Add Contact button. Fill in the necessary details such as name, email, and phone number. Make sure to tag the contact with relevant labels to categorize them effectively. Once you have saved the contact, head over to the Activities section. In the Activities section, set reminders for follow-ups or schedule meetings. This will help you stay organized and connected with your clients. Now, let's move to the Deals section. Create a new deal by clicking on the Add Deal button. Attach the deal to the client you just added. Give a brief description and specify the deal stage. Updating deal stages regularly keeps your pipeline accurate and up to date. Next, utilize the Insights feature to track client interaction. Analyze the data to understand client preferences and behavior. You can also create custom reports to measure your engagement efforts. This insight will guide your approach and help strengthen relationships. Next, discuss your interactions through the Notes feature. Log your conversations to stay informed about previous discussions. Finally, make use of the email feature to maintain regular communication. Personalize your messages to make them more effective. With these steps, you can enhance your client relationships significantly. By efficiently utilizing Freshsales, you streamline your communication and stay organized. Incorporate these practices into your routine for optimal client management. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.